Thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for the professional installation of our Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen. We always recommend you go to a professional for this type of repair. However, this replacement was fairly simple with the correct tools. Today we are replacing a set of front Complete Strut Assemblies on a 1997 Honda Accord. This set fits the 1994 to 1997 Accord, all models. We recommend using Speedy Struts by Sensen when replacing your worn-out struts. Speedy Strut Complete Strut Assemblies by Sensen come with a limited lifetime warranty. Sensen uses OE-grade coil springs and strut mounts with premium-grade bearings. All Speedy Struts are assembly tested for vehicle fitment accuracy and come in high-quality premium packaging. Better components, better processes, and better quality, Speedy Strut is the better option. Some of the tools needed for this installation include a 12mm socket, a 14mm socket, and a 15mm socket. You will also need a hammer or a mallet.
First thing I'm going to do is remove the brake hose attached to the strut assembly, and I believe they're 12mm. Next I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the lower bracket assembly for the strut. It is a 14mm. You can see I'm going to wiggle the bracket off the strut, slide it down off the strut. Everything is off. The only thing we got left now is 3 on top. These 3 here, they're going to be 14mm. Hold the strut so it don't drop. These ones are going to be 15s. Do is pull down on this to get this bracket fit. brake line.
This concludes our front complete strut assembly installation on a 1997 Honda Accord. Be sure to look for our rear complete strut assembly installation video for this vehicle. Thanks for watching, and thanks to Jason at Magnolia Tire Pro and Auto Service for the professional installation.